Hello everyone, I am here again with you for giving one more training session of quizzes. This time I am going to tell you the procedure of creating a quiz by importing a spreadsheet. Spreadsheet should be an Excel file. Excel means .xls or .xlsx format file, which you can create from Google Doc, OpenOffice or Microsoft Excel anywhere. And if you are not having any of these options, then you can do it here itself in quizzes. I will show you how. So for starting this, open the quizzes.com website and log in. I have already logged in with my account. So I am directly going to the step 1 of the creating quiz. This quiz, there are two links of creating a quiz option. Create a new quiz at the left hand side panel and at the top ribbon. Click any of these. After this, you will get a dialog box where you have to write the name of the quiz. I am writing the name of the quiz, Artificial Intelligence Quiz 1. After writing the name of the quiz, I am selecting the subject and then clicking on the next button. Just after clicking on the next button, you will get the quiz editor panel, but you don't no need to follow the last procedure which I have demonstrated in the previous video. You have to click on this import from spreadsheet link given at the right hand side. I think it is visible to all of you. You can see it in your quiz editor panel also. Click on this option and you will get another dialog box of import from spreadsheet options. Here you have a message. Make sure to upload an XLX or XLS file and adhere to our format. Means you have to follow a format. I am clicking on this link to download the template. After downloading the template, you will get it in your computer. I have already uploaded this template in my Google Doc, so I am showing it here. Oh shit, I have the opening this. So this is the file which is downloaded from the quiz website. I'm opening it in Google Sheets so you can get its better view, little bigger. See, this is the first column of question text. You can use it for writing the question. Next is question type. Question type means multiple choice, checkbox, fill in the blanks, open-ended or poll. No need to type this. The template is giving you the drop down menu. You have to click on this arrow and select the type of the question. So this is available throughout the spreadsheet. Just click on this arrow and select the option which type of question you are going to create. Then if it is a multiple choice question or the checkbox question, you have to write the or fill in the blanks. These three type of question need the options of the correct answer. Means options for the answer. So multiple choice answers, checkbox answer, and for filling the blanks, two correct answer choices. So after writing this, five options are available here. After writing five options, you have to give the correct answer. How you will mention the correct answer? Suppose the option number 4 is the correct answer, then you have to write here number 4. And for checkbox type of question, these three options 1, 2, 3 are correct. So you have to write 1, 2, 3. No need to give any space in between. So this way you have to mention the correct answer. For multiple choice and checkbox, you have to write this correct answer. Otherwise, no need to write anything for any other type of question. Next is time in seconds. Minimum is 9 and minimum is 5 seconds and maximum is 900. By clicking on this drop down menu, you can select this. 5 is minimum and maximum is 900, or you can type the seconds also. So after this, the last column is for putting an image for the question. This question image you can put by pasting the URL of the image which is already available in the internet. So you can put the URL of the image which you want to show with the question here. This way you have to complete your question in the template. I have already completed one of my one of my quiz. This is the quiz of artificial intelligence with 3 questions, in which only one question will be showing a image. So this image URL is available here for this second question. All are multiple choice. You can create your quiz as per your choice. So after this, if you are completing the quiz in Google Doc, then you can download it in XLS format. If you are doing it in computer, then it is already available in the computer. You have to just upload it. I am going back in quizzes creator. So after downloading the template, you have completed the quiz. Then click on this drag and drop file or upload the file button and select the quiz. It will not show you how I am doing this, but you upload it. Okay, after uploading you will get the quiz just here in the editing mode. Means if you want to do whole editing in this panel, you can do it. See, these 4 questions are given by the template. I am deleting it. You can delete it by this delete button, and these 3 questions I have created. And if you want to add one more, click on this plus button. You will get one more new row and write the question here. All the field you can put it here. So this way you can complete the procedure here also. No need to open Google Doc, no need to open Microsoft Excel. Just download and upload here and complete the procedure here itself. After completing this step, click on save button. After saving, the quiz is ready. Nothing else left. Now you can preview after clicking on the done button. Click on done and done. Then all the default options are okay. For the quiz detail, I am only selecting the grade. Grade I am selecting right now 9th, and then click on save with the public view. Now you can preview the quiz. Click on play button and see the quiz. It's a small quiz. You can see it here in few seconds. So click on play quiz button. The first question will appear. The first question is having an image. What is artificial intelligence?
Question. What is artificial intelligence? Option 1. Making a machine
Right
intelligent.
answer, as I know it. Next is
Question. Which is not the commonly used
Log
programming.
is not the commonly used language for AI. And the next question, last one.
Question. A production rule consists of.
Okay, this way you can preview the quiz, and after completing it, you can go back to your quiz editor and back and share the link, copy it, and after copying the link, close the window and share it wherever you require. Okay, so try this. This is good option to create a quiz in quizzes. Okay, I will meet you again with a new demonstration and tutorial, or you can say training session. Okay, goodbye.